Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Surya Official. Today we are excited to create a hover animation image project in the celebration of Navaratri using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the center you will notice a stunning background video that plays infinitely. Above it we have an image section featuring the 9 goddesses of Navaratri. When we hover over each icon image below, you will see a hover effect on the corresponding goddess image above. So you can see the hover effect of each and every image icon. So these are the 9 goddesses of Navaratri. So the first one is Shailaputri, she is the daughter of mountain. And the second one is Brahmacharini. Third one is Chandraghanta, Kusmanda, Skandamata, Katyayani, Kalaratri, Mahagauri, and the last one is Siddhiratri. This is the awesome project that we are going to build today. If you are new to this channel, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you are ready, then let's get started. So now I am in the Visual Studio Code Editor and I already created a folder named is Image Slider, and inside this folder we have a assets folder, and I just put some images file and one video file here. So let's create our HTML file. So our HTML file name is index.html. To generate the HTML boilerplate, we need to write exclamation mark plus enter. It will generate this HTML boilerplate. To check our HTML file, we need to write hello world inside this h1 tag. Hello world. And to run this HTML file, we have to click this go live button, so it will render in the browser. So you can see hello world text will be displayed in the browser. So let's dive into the Visual Studio Code. So here I need to delete this hello world text and let's start our HTML structure. So first we need to display a div and the class name is banner. So I need to write dot banner plus enter. So it will generate this div with the class name banner. Inside this div we need to display a video file here. So for that we have to create a video tag video, and inside this video tag source tag source src equal to dot slash assets slash, we need to put this bg.mp4. This is a video file. We need to show it the type as a video. So type video slash mp4. Save it and check it in our browser. You can see the video file is displaying in the browser. But this file is acting as a image file. So we need to run this video file. For that, inside this video tag, we have to write autoplay muted. So save it and check it in our browser. So now you can see the video file is running. When the video is complete, it is tough here. But I want to run this video file continuously, that means infinitely. So for that we need to write, after this muted, we need to write loop here. So continuously the video file is running. So basically this div is to put some overlay to this video file. So after this banner div, we need to create another div and the class name is container. So dot slash container, press enter, so it will generate this div with the class name container. So inside this div, we have to create another div and the class name is box, and inside this box div, we need to create another div and the class name is avatar image. Avatar dash image. Press enter, so it will generate this div. Inside this div we have to show our image here, so we need to write image tag, and inside this source we have to write dot slash assets slash 1.webp. Okay, so save it and check it in our browser. So you can see this is our image. So after this avatar image, we need to create a card here. So after this image, we have to create a div and the class name is card, and inside this card div again we need to create a div and the class name is img. Inside this div we have to display our image card here. For that I need to write img, press enter, so it will generate this image tag and dot slash assets slash 1.webp. Okay, so this is our image, card image, and below this image div we need to create another div, and the class name is content, and inside this div we need to create another div, and the class name is details. So inside this details div we need to display goddess name. So need to create a div and the class name is name, and inside this we have to write our goddess name. So the first is Sailaputri. After this div we have to create another div and the class name is info. So Sailaputri is mainly for daughter of mountain. Daughter of mountain. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see the image file is coming, and you can see goddess name is Sailaputri and info is daughter of mountain. Okay, so let's create our other 8 goddess name. I already created some code for this other goddess, so just copy from here, and after this avatar image paste it here. So you can see we have other 8 goddesses are there. You can see Brahmacharini, Kusmanda, Skandamata and all. You can see in the last Siddhidatri. So we have this 9 goddess name and their information and images. So save it and check it in our browser. So you can see we have this 9 goddess and their information. This is not looking good. So let's write our CSS and make it colorful. Okay, so for that we need to create a CSS file, and the file name is style.css. So before writing the CSS code we need to go to this HTML file and first link it from here. After this title tag we need to link it from here. Okay, so now it is linked. Let's go to this CSS file and start writing our CSS code from here. So first we need to target star. It is a universal selector. So margin is 0, padding is 0, box sizing border box, font family sans serif. First we need to target this banner class. For that I have to write dot banner, and inside this position is absolute, width is 100%, height also 100%, overflow hidden, display flex, justify content center, align item center. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see our video file is not looking good. So for that you can see inside this banner class we have this video tag is there. So need to target this video tag. Okay, so for that need to write dot banner video, and inside that position is absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, object fit cover. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see now our video file is looking good. Okay, nice. So let's target this overlay class. So for that dot overlay, position is absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, background color RGBA 0,0,0,0.6, display flex, justify content center, align item, end. Save it and check it. So the overlayer is maybe not coming, so we need to put Z index here. So Z index is 1. Save it and check it. So now the overlayer is coming here. So let's go to this HTML file. So next we have this container class. So need to target this container class. Dot container, height 100 vs, width 100%, display flex, align item center, justify content center. So after this container class we have this box class. So copy this box class and let's target this box class. So here I need to write dot box, and now start writing the CSS for this box class. Height is 400 pixel, in width is 400 pixel, display flex, align item, flex end. Save it and check it in our browser. So all the images is coming in the right side. Okay. So this is not looking good. So need to fix this images fast. Okay. So for that, go to this HTML file, and after this box class we have this avatar dash image class is there. So need to target this avatar dash image class. Position is relative, height is 70 pixel, width also 70 pixel, background color is white color, border radius 50%, margin and bottom is 0, left and right is 5 pixel. Box shadow 0 from top, 5 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom, RGBA 0,0,0,0.25, transition transform 0.3 second, Z index is 1. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see this is our images file. Okay, still it is not looking good. So let's target this image tag. So for that, dot avatar dash image space img tag. Okay, so the position is absolute, height is 95%, width also 95%, left is 50%, top also 50%. Transform translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Jet fit fill, border radius 50%. Save it and check it in the browser. So you can see avatar image is fixed and it is looking nice. Okay. So let's target our card. So for that, you can see here in the HTML file we have this card. So go to this CSS file and let's target this card here. So dot card, and position is absolute, height is 350 pixel, height is 350 pixel, width is 300 pixel, bottom 100 pixel, left 50%, border radius 25 pixel, box shadow 0, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA 0,0,0,0.25, transform translate x minus 50%, Z index 0, pointer events none, transition 0, left 0.5 second, Z index 0 second. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see our images is coming. This is the card. Still this card is not looking good. So we need to fix this card first. Okay. So for that we have to write hover effect here. Dot avatar dash image hover, need to target card class here. So dot card, Z index 15, pointer events auto is minus 200 pixel, transform translate x 80 pixel, transition left 0.5 second, Z index 0 second, transform 0.5 second, transition delay 0 second, comma 0.5 second, comma 0.5 second. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see our hover effect is working fine. Okay, so you can see our hover effect is working fine. So let's target this image tag. So for that, go to this CSS file and start writing the CSS. So dot card img. So we need to target this image tag, and the position is absolute, height is 100%, width also 100%, object fit fill, and the border is 3 pixel solid white color, border radius 25 pixel. Save it and check it. Now you can see our card is fixed. Okay, it is looking nice, great. Okay, but you can see it is not showing our goddess name and their info. Okay, so for that go to this HTML file and you can see here we have this content class. So next we need to target this content class. So dot content, and it is position is absolute, width is 100%, bottom is -10 pixel, left is 0, padding is 0 from top and bottom, 10 pixel from left and right. Next we need to target this container with before element. Dot content, we need to target this before pseudo element. Okay, so before, and we have to write content is blank, position is absolute, height is 20 pixel, width also 20 pixel, background color is white, left is 50%, bottom is -1 pixel, translate x -50%, and rotate 45 degree. Save it and check it. So basically we are creating this. So basically we are created this content. Okay, so you can see in the first card it is acting like a diamond, but in the others it is looking nice. Okay, just because of if I hover it, you can see it is still not looking good because it is acting as a diamond shape, but I don't want the diamond shape. I want to cut it the top one. Okay, so for that what I have to do is I need to write z index -1, save it and check it, and you can see the card is coming in the top and the diamond shape is coming in the below. So it is showing the 50% of that diamond shape. Okay, so it is looking nice. You can see everywhere it is coming nice. Okay, so let's target our content. Okay, so you can see here inside this content we have this details class. So let's target this details class. So for that need to go to this style.css, and here I have to write dot content space dot details, and inside, and here position is relative, background is white color, padding is 10 pixel, border radius 12 pixel, text align center, and translate y 50 pixel. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see our details card is fine, but it is not looking good. So for that, first time we don't want to display this details card. When we hover this avatar image, then only this details card is coming. So for that, so first we need to disappear this details section. So for that we need to write opacity 0, save it and check it. Now you can see first time it is not coming, but when I hover this avatar image, then only that details card is coming here. Okay, so for that what I have to do is go to this CSS file, and here we need to target avatar image, hover, and we need to target this details class. So here opacity is 1. In the top we just put that opacity as a 0, so it is not displaying. So after that, after hover, we change this opacity to 1, so we can able to see it. Okay, so next one is translate y 4 pixel, transition all 0.5 second each. Okay, transition delay 0.9 second. Save it and check it in our browser. So you can see now it is coming. After 0.9 second it will come. You can see everywhere it is coming. So let's target our name. Okay, so for that go to this index.html file, and you can see we have this name class. Okay, so let's target this name class. So for that dot details dot name, font size is 24 pixel, and the font weight is 800. Save it and check it. So now you can see our title is looking good. Okay, so let's target the information. So for that, go to this index.html. We have this info class. So let's target this info class. So for that, need to write dot details dot info, and font size is 14 pixel. Color is has 0396FF. So it is a blue color, and margin -3 pixel, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, and left side also 0 pixel. Save it and check it. So now you can see it's looking nice. Title with the info. You can see the first one is looking fine. Okay, but in the second, third, fourth and others, you can see if I hover the card, still it is in the below of the other cards. But what I have to do is, if I hover it, then the card will come in the top of the all cards. We need to target this avatar image. So for that, we have to write dot avatar dash image hover. We need to set the Z index here. So the Z index is 10. Save it and check it. Now you can see first one is fine, second one also fine, and others also fine. So you can see if I hover the card, that particular card is coming in the top. Okay, so you can see, and you can see the smooth animation as well. So the last one is need to put some other animation for this card. Okay, so for that we need to put some keyframe here, @keyframe, and the keyframe name is pulse, and in the 0% transform scale 1, and in the 50% transform scale 1.05, and in the 100% again transform scale will be 1. Okay, so let's call this pulse inside this. Let's call this pulse keyframe inside this avatar image hover effect. We need to put animation here. Animation pulse 1 second infinite. Okay, save it and check it. You can see the nice animation is coming in each and every cards. Okay, if I hover it, then it is coming. So the first one is Sailaputri, second one is Brahmacharini, third one Chandraghanta, Kusmanda, Skandamata, Katyayani, Kalaratri. This is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Code with Surya Official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video.